Hello, I'm your host Prachi and I welcome you all to Get Right Properties. Today I'll take you through Godrej Parkshire. It is a newly launched luxury township spread across 13.5 acres located in Hoskote, East Bangalore. It is well connected to Whitefield and major IT parks. And this is a rapidly developing corridor, which means you will have strong appreciation value in the future, welcoming all the new buyers and investors. Before that, let me quickly introduce you to Get Right Properties. We have been in the real estate market for 8 years and we work on zero brokerage model, means complete transparency. You pay builder's price with zero hidden charges. And you know what's the best part? We assist you from purchase to possession, including rental, resale and everything, including your future investments. We also give exclusive deals and discounts to our clients. So check us out today. Not just that, but you also get an iPhone as a complimentary gift when you book with us. In this walkthrough, I'm going to talk about the project, details, the location, amenities, towers, who should buy, and what are the potential investments and builder credibility. So stay with me till the very end. This property, Godrej Parkshire, is located on Hoskote Main Road, which is NH 648. This is a luxury township spread across 13.5 acres. You will have 5 towers with 2 basements and 28 upper floor plus ground. Not just that, you also get 1,132 apartments with 8 units in each floor. And this project is RERA approved, which means the possession timeline will be December 2030. Location is one of the major advantages from this project because it is located on NH 648, making it easily accessible to National Highway 75, Old Madras Road, Satellite Town Ring Road and Whitefield, with major IT hubs like ITPL, Brigade Tech Park and RMZ Infinity very close by. Not just that, you get schools like Delhi Public School, entertainment hubs like Orion Uptown Mall and Phoenix Market City Mall, alongside major hospitals like Vaidehi Hospital, Sri Satya Sai Hospital, Manipal Hospital and airport is just 40 minutes away. Also, Hope Farm metro station is within a few kilometers of range, which makes it easy for your family and you to live a comfortable and accessible life. One of the key highlights is 70% open space, ensuring greenery, better ventilation and a peaceful living environment. Out of 13.5 acres, a significant portion is dedicated to landscaped gardens and open areas. Godrej Parkshire offers 2 BHK and 3 BHK. 2 BHK is ranging from 1095 to 1224 square feet and 3 BHK is ranging from 1634 to 1750 square feet. Each flat is Vastu compliant, designed for modern living. You get only 8 units in each floor, making it very private and luxurious. Not just that, you also get 2 BHKs ideal for singles and smaller families, 3 BHKs for family looking for larger spaces and privacy alongside. In this apartment, you get zero wastage of space, giving you maximum ventilation and ample light. Now I'm going to explain this beautiful miniature and the amenities that you're going to get in this beautiful project. This project will have 55 plus premium amenities. Let us start from this main road. This is NH 648. The adjacent road will be connecting you to other parts of the city, which is right next to the property, through which you will not have to cross the toll gate. And then we'll come here. As you can see, there are 5 towers in this building. So you will have tower A, B and C here, and then D and E there. Here is the entrance to your tower A, B and C. The entire structure is built in L shape, giving you nice ventilation and ample natural light with no building crossing over each other. Here you get this beautiful clubhouse which has a rooftop features as well, and here is your half Olympic sized swimming pool along with kids pool and other water amenities here. This is Mother Green Land. Here this will be like the forest reservoir kind of thing where you will have jungle adventure things for you to play around. Here is your basketball court, football court, pickleball court, and the cricket practicing nets. Not just that, you get other amenities right here. You get indoor games, gaming arena, sky cinema, terrace spaces, walking and cycling tracks, and you get much more sports-centric amenities designed for all the age groups, for seniors, kids, and you. You also have a spa and saloon along with party lawn here. You will have 24/7 CCTV security and advanced safety systems. And now we are going to take a small tour of this beautiful 2 BHK Lux designed in 734 square feet. This is your foyer area. Then comes this beautiful dining and living area. This is your dining area. This is your living area, which is comfortable and spacious enough. And then we move to this beautiful kitchen. Kitchen is spacious enough for 2 people to move around easily. And this is your utility area for all your daily activities. And then now we move forward to the bedroom number 1, which can occupy your kids or guests. This also has adequate space and windows. To this is this common toilet attached adequately. We move forward to the most beautiful part of this flat, which is your master bedroom, which is very spacious, as you can see. This also comes with windows and this particular dressing area and attached toilets. With this, I have one last thing for you, which is your living space balcony. This is peculiarly designed for you and your family to spend some time by looking at the beautiful green spaces that you're going to get. Now I'll take you through this beautiful 3 BHK Lux model flat spread across 1032 square feet of area. This is your foyer area. Next comes this beautiful drawing and living room. Look how luxurious and beautiful this is. And then comes your beautiful dining area. Look at this beautiful dining area. This gives your home nice spacious look, and this will have your guests occupy for the food. Then comes this beautiful spacious kitchen. This is designed enough for your movement. And then comes this utility area. You can finish your daily activities here. And then we move forward to your bedroom number 1, which is your kids' room. This is designed adequately to have your kids occupied, and this also has a toilet attached to it. Moving forward, we have this beautiful bedroom number 2. This can be for your guests or elder child for some privacy. All this beautiful rooms comes with this beautiful windows. Next comes bedroom number 3, which is your master bedroom, which is the most luxurious and private part of this beautiful spacious living house. This is your balcony, which is very spacious, very beautiful. And then you will have this dressing area and this toilet attached to your master bedroom. Right in front of bedroom 2, you have this common toilet, adequately attached toilet to your bedroom number 2. Now we move to the most beautiful part of your living room, which is going to be this beautiful living space balcony. Let's have a look at this balcony, which is spacious enough to have you and your partner, your family occupied whenever you're using this particular balcony. Now we come to the end of this beautiful model flat tour. The developer is the Godrej Property, which is India's one of the most trusted real estate brand. They have a strong track record with the quality constructions and timely submission of their developments, making this property for a strong appreciation property in the coming future. Not just that, from the investment potential, let me tell you that Hoskote is known as Whitefield 2.0, which means this has a strong, rapid growth here in this corridor, making it closely accessible to STRR, major tech parks, Whitefield, metro station. With this trusted real estate brand, the credibility of this particular project goes higher up, giving you strong appreciation in the future. So this property definitely has a strong investment potential. Who should invest in this project? Firstly, the IT professionals who are looking for shorter commute time, who work in Whitefield or major tech parks nearby. Secondly, families looking for green spaces and environment but within the city ranges. Thirdly, first time buyers who are looking for a real brand, who are looking for a brand credibility. This is for you. And for long term investors who are looking for strong appreciation value, this is for you, because this is a major growing corridor. GetRight Property, your true real estate partner. We come with 8 years of experience, and so we follow zero brokerage model, which means complete transparency. You pay builder's price with no hidden charges. Not just that, we assist you in everything you need from purchase to possession, including rental, resale and your future investments. Not just that, our clients get exclusive deals and offers. You also get a complimentary gift as an iPhone if you book with us now.